Squeeze it.
They're making slime.
How do you can you get all the extra stuff out for all of us?
I can't put that much.
I can help your brother
That's
there.
it. Wait, can we make?
Oh.
Oh my god! It's getting.
We see. Wow.
Squish!
Squish, squish.
You can grab like a spoon or something and get all the extra ones. Right, Liam?
I know how to get it.
Okay, Ate, just
Cut it! Stop it!
Let mommy do it.
Can you please put it in?
Oh.
There. Can we?
Mommy.
I want to use.
I want to mix that down. I want to mix that one into this one. I want to make white bread.
I think that's not enough. Your kuan. What is that?
No, you just have to put one.
Ah, okay.
No, mix it on mine.
Oh.
Put some in mine.
Where's Joshua's? Where's your other bowl? Is that enough? Or do you want more?
Should it? Why? Need to.
Whoa!
That's a lot, honey.
Too much. Wait, it's white that big.
Too much.
Mary, why you are separate and Joshua is not separate?
Because he
honey?
doesn't want separate.
Okay.
Yes, this
I
is
want
gonna look
separate.
so cool.
Wow.
This is gonna be so cool. Yeah,
So
it's
cool.
gonna be.
Can we add the whole thing?
What, honey?
I used
the
the whole
whole
thing. I had
Or
it.
no?
Yeah. Huh?
Slime doesn't have peanut.
Oh, mga black.
I'm a peanut butter. I'm a peanut butter
Mga
too.
black. O kanang
I'm a peanut. I'm a peanut. I'm not the peanut. You are a peanut. Yeah, I'm a peanut too. I'm a bad, yeah. The peanut. You're very bad pizza. Very bad peanut. Very bad pizza. Very bad pizza.
They're making
Betty
slime.
has bear pizza.
Very bad pizza.
Slime.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay,
I'm
ate.
done. Wait.
Oh,
Is it over slime or something?
And what
No, there's
else?
nothing
What's
called
the
over
next?
slime.
Next.
You can make it as big as you want. Oh.
Next step.
What's the next step?
You know how to make slime, honey?
Wait, no.
Just wait. Ate will put it.
This is gonna be so cool. Who do you want to put her first? Put it on
Mine,
him,
mine,
'cause
mine.
He's the youngest. Put it all over the slime. He's the youngest. He's the youngest because he's not making any.
Okay.
But it's okay, right? Maybe if the slime's not up. You can play with it if you want. But you need to open your sleeves up.
But don't eat it.
No, he knows he don't eat it. He knows he shouldn't eat it.
It's on
Wait,
the
don't do
sauce.
this. I did.
I want to
I didn't know.
I want to do like this. So
Yeah, they're making slime.
okay, it's not
The what is that now? Glow in the dark?
Yeah, and some clear. I mean clear. Not clear. Yeah. I meant white.
Don't remove. It's cold. Why you remove that?
Oh, because he doesn't want to get it.
I already put. Hi, honey. I already put that. Yeah, I already.
I already know how to put it on.
I know.
Okay, who wants another toothpick?
I need a toothpick because I lost. Everyone gets two.
Okay.
1, 2.
Do you need help?
Liam, hey.
In
You
second.
can have 3.
Yes,
Okay.
I know.
Just in case.
See?
You know.
Oh.
See?
Now what? Can
Okay,
I
so
mix?
what's next?
Can I mix?
Mix? I'm going. Yeah.
Mix it, ate.
I want to take a ride on a disco show.
Wow, that's slime. Whoa.
Touch me. It's okay.
I'm going to mix a little bit
Again.
together. Oh, it's getting stretchy. I know,
Yeah.
but it will get stuck. After that,
stretchy,
then
honey.
after that, you have to touch it with your hands. Oh, is that why you
Stretchy
have?
slime. Whoa. Be
Oh.
careful. Just inside in the bowl, Joshua. Inside of the Tupperware.
This looks like marshmallow. Maybe I should make
Yeah.
a marshmallow.
I like marshmallow too.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god! Oh my
You
god!
wanna play with? Well, no. Well, I have to.
You want to sit down there? You want to try, Liam? Liam will
You wanna
try.
Which one? You wanna mix this or this?
I want to mix that one.
This group? Right. All you have to do
Oh
is
my
just
god!
mix
Look
it.
at mine! Look at mine! It looks so good. Look at mine. This looks so nice.
If you
Yeah.
want, just ask me, okay?
They're making slime.
You need
Look,
help?
mine is light blue.
You need help?
It's light blue.
Alright.
That one's super cool.
Yeah.
Keep mixing, Joshua. Keep mixing, honey.
I love this one. That one's super blue. I love blue.
Oh,
I
super
love
blue.
this one. Do you love this one? No, I like light blue. No, this is light blue.
Yeah,
I know, light blue.
Oh, yeah,
It's light blue,
this one's
honey.
blue. I like blue.
Oh, you're so
Well,
sweet.
I like dark blue.
I need to wash my hands. Why? What
Okay.
did you do?
It's sticky.
Okay,
See
there.
that it's sticky.
Oh! Oh my god.
I don't even know if this is done or not. Do I keep mixing it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
keep mixing, ate.
And then you have to touch it. For how many minutes do I have to mix it?
I don't know, 5.
Until
Maybe 10
until it's not
minutes.
sticky. Until it's
10
not, you know.
But
I'm
I
making
don't know.
2. I'm making 2.
Tita, if Liam doesn't get it fully, can you help him?
Hi, Liam, you're gonna get dirty, honey.
Oh,
Yeah.
Liam, I'll
I don't know how to make slime, honey.
You just
Honestly,
have to
it's
mix
MaryJoyce know how to make slime.
MaryJoyce, can you help?
I will help. Just keep mixing.
Oh, no.
Tita will help Liam.
Hey, stop putting it on me. I need Alright.
Okay, here.
It's
honey.
okay. Mine just...
I can still join the video? Now?
Yeah, you're in the video, honey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh my god, it's got it.
Ate, you need to put more activator? Mary? You need to put-
Yeah, you have to put water, right?
No water, honey. Just activator. Just activator. You need to put more activator, ate?
Here,
Or that's enough?
Hey!
go.
Do you need to put activator?
No, I already added.
It's enough? Okay.
It's this
Okay, hold on. I need
Maybe it's oh my god! It's turning into dark blue!
Yeah, it's light blue.
It's gonna come.
Okay. Inside.
Liam,
This is the result. This is the
Okay.
result. This is the blue. Into the
Josh.
And that is this is the
This is the red. Turned out pretty good.
water. Pretty
It's
good.
jiggly. Because we added some water to fix it.
And more activator, right?
Yes. Big.